Preparing for Optometry government exam? Enroll our course, Gov Job Preparation, to get access to notes, mock tests, MCQs, previous year MCQs, videos and more.
In this video, I will discuss about how to calculate amplitude of accommodation according to Hofstetter formula. This type of question is very common in optometry license exam as well as in optometry Gov exam. Here is the question. Using Hofstetter's formula, what is the expected amplitude of accommodation for a 40 years old patient? Here are the options. Hofstetter gives total 3 formula. Formula 1 for maximum amplitude of accommodation, and the formula is maximum amplitude of accommodation equals 25 minus 0.4 multiplied by age. Formula 2 is for average amplitude of accommodation, and the formula is average amplitude of accommodation equals 18.5 minus 0.3 multiplied by age. Formula 3 is for minimum amplitude of accommodation, and the formula is minimum amplitude of accommodation equals 15 minus 0.25 multiplied by age. How I remember those formula? You can remember it like factor of 5. Here 25, 18.5 and 15. And here from maximum to minimum 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. So you can remember in a chronological order. Here also from maximum to minimum, maximum to minimum. So here the factor of 5, and here 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. Now in the question they are asking expected amplitude of accommodation for a 40-year-old patient. Expected amplitude of accommodation means
Preparing for Optometry license exam? Enroll our course, MCQs in Optometry, to get access to notes, MCQs, videos, previous year MCQs and more.
expected amplitude of accommodation means minimum amplitude of accommodation. So we will use formula 3. Now in the question, patient age is 40 years old and amplitude of accommodation we have to find out. Now according to formula, minimum amplitude of accommodation equals 15 minus 0.25 multiplied by age. So age is 40, or 15 minus, if we multiply 40 by 0.25, then it will become 10. Now if we subtract 10 from 15, it will become 5. So the minimum amplitude of accommodation for this patient or for a 40 years old patient is 5 diopter. Thus option C is the correct answer. Now I have a practice question for you in the next slide. Question for you. Using Hofstetter formula, what is the maximum amplitude of accommodation for a 30 years old patient? Option A 11 diopters, option B 13 diopters, option C 15 diopters, option D 17 diopters. Apply the formula, that is maximum amplitude of accommodation equals 25 minus 0.4 multiplied by age, and write your answer in the comment box.
If this calculation was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more optometry tutorials. Don't forget to check out our full courses on the app. See you in the next video.